Today, December 9, 2020, US time. YouTube announced that they will begin removing any content alleging widespread voter fraud that influence the outcome of the 2020 US presidential election. Actually, they already started. There were like more than 8,000 channels that was been removed already. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this to consider it as a warning, just in case you are one of those content creators uploading videos like what I've mentioned. And of course, as a content creator, I find this very bothering. This is a proof that social media platforms are censoring us. I know this is your freedom of speech. That's why I can feel you. I understand YouTube is trying to stop misleading people. Just like, for example, someone is claiming that there was a big glitch on the system. That's why Biden won this election. I just hope YouTube is not being biased here. Well, my point here is I just want you to know this kind of thing is really going on. It's really happening. And as a content creator, I still want to tell you, happy vlogging! Take care, y'all, and God bless.